Hello, I'm going to show you Creators Alliance withdrawal process full guide. First of all, it's crucial to approach this platform with caution, as multiple sources have raised concerns about its legitimacy, suggesting it may operate as a Ponzi scheme. According to the information available, the process of withdrawing funds from Creators Alliance involves the following steps. First of all, users are required to connect a wallet address compatible with either the TRC20 or ERC20 network to facilitate withdrawals. The platform specifies different minimum withdrawal amounts based on the user's membership tier. For instance, trainee creator 30 USDT, official creator 100 USDT, and famous creator 300 USDT. Once the minimum threshold is met, users can request a withdrawal during the platform's designated hours. Withdrawals incur fees. TRC20 network 7 USDT and ERC20 network 21 USDT. The platform indicates that withdrawals will be credited within 1 to 5 business days.